Okay, so now I'm going to show you this nice tool from Sharkbite. So as you can see, I just got it like last week. So if you want to know how to use it or if it's any good or anything like that, so I'm going to show you. So basically, this is the model that you see here on the site. It says P here on this area. It says prod3810. So this is how it comes. As you can see, it says Pro Disconnect Tool, push to connect, 3/8 to 1 inch. Sharkbite is the brand, and it comes in this little packaging that you see here. So as you can see, this is the tool, and I like it a lot. So it's very, very good and very easy to use. So as you can see here, where it says feeding, so it goes where you have the feeding, so this, and in the other side where you see pipe, this is where the pipes goes. The only downside of this, as usual, just to make it cheap, you know, they didn't put it in red or something like that. So if you cannot see very well, it's going to be difficult. And now you can see very well because I'm using a camera and zooming in. So basically, all you have to do, I'll show you how it works. So I'm going to pull this out a little bit. So if you have the fitting here, you have the piece of PVC, you put it, the pegs, sorry, you have the pegs, so you put it in, make sure that you mark it at least 1 inch, so the way you know that it goes all the way in. That's it. So basically the one that says pipe, it goes to the pipe, just put it like that, and that's it. You don't have to change anything else. So just grab it like that, push, and then pull the pegs, the pipe, and that's it. And it works like very, very well. So I'm amazed. If you compare it with the other ones, you know, the other ones, I don't like them. So I mean, they're good, but not that good. So the only one I like the most, if you don't want to spend, you know, much on this anyway, I'm going to leave you the link if you want to buy this. So it's this one. This one is iCrimp. Yes, the brand is iCrimp. It says here, and as you can see here, it says fitting, and in the other side you have all the sizes. So here you have the other one. I don't like this one. This one to me is the worst, but I'm going to show you closely just in case if you have to buy. And then you have the other ones from Sharkbite. These are the, you know, maybe the first one. I mean, they are better than the half donut, you know, like the U that you put, you know, the plastic ones is much better, but I don't use them anymore. I use this one, and now I'm going to be using this one. So because I have two cargo vents, I'm going to have one of each in each vent, and that's it. So basically, when you have this like that, you see, and with this you have to grab, okay, you have to grab one or the other. You see, I mean, this is the same thing. It doesn't say here, you know, which is which, where it goes where, but you will see, because if you want to put it, you know, the other way around, it's not going to fit here. It's going to fit. You have to push, and then it's same thing. With the other one, as you can see here, you have the here I see the iCrimp. So if you want to see, the model is CR, I think it's Q02, and this is the patent and everything. So basically here you have the pipe, the side, and here the fitting. So the fitting, we're going to put it like that, and it works very well. So if you have, you know, half an inch, 3/4, 1 inch, you're going to use the one that you want, and that's it. There is no issue with that. The other one, this one, I don't like it because you have to, you know, change the metal plate that goes inside. So to me, it's very inconvenience. But other than that, this new tool, I like it a lot. I highly recommend it. You don't have to worry, you know, about different things here or here with this or anything like that. You just put it like that, push, and it works. That's it. So very, very well designed. So as usual, I am in US. If you need tools, electronics, just let me know. I can ship it to you. Otherwise, I'll leave you the link and then you can buy it yourself. Hopefully you have enjoyed this video. And if you have any question, please let me know. And see you next time.